Hey everybody, Kurt McClearen with the McClearen Mortgage Advisors at Nova Home Loans. Just want to come to you today to talk about a unique opportunity that we've been presented with. As a certified mortgage advisor, I got training under a guy named Barry Habib. I'd recommend that you Google him. He's a genius, for lack of better words. One of a handful of people in the country that are CMAs under him. And essentially what that is we've gone through very thorough training on not only just writing people mortgages, but utilizing folks' mortgages and understanding the markets and what's happening to be total debt management tools. And so one of the unique things that we're presented with in this market is rates are still historically low. People have record equity in their homes, and a lot of folks aren't tapping into it. So we're seeing these scenarios where I'll just give you something very brief. So had a lady that had like $400,000 in equity in her house. She had a car payment, she had 3 credit cards that she'd run up from previous vacations, medical procedures, etc., and she had a personal loan. We took her scenario, did a cash out refinance, paid off her car, her credit cards, and her installment loan, so got rid of all of her other debts, added those balances to her home loan, ended up net saving her $1,700 a month. And then, since she was already comfortable with and supporting herself making all those payments, we had her go spend $250 a month on whatever you want. That's your money now. The rest of it, apply it back towards principal on your home loan. It paid her house off decades faster than she would have owned her home if she would have just followed the regular amortization schedule of her mortgage. So we helped her out monthly cash flow wise, helped her own her home faster, and completely changed the trajectory of her financial future. Those are the kind of things that we're able to do. Now, is everyone's situation like that? No. There are people with much smaller situations, but those are the kind of things that we're able to do for people right now that if you don't look, you're not thinking about that on a day-to-day basis until you put it down on paper and you let us help you and look at all these different scenarios that we can run for you. I mean, we're changing people's lives. So if you know that you have a lot of equity in your home, and maybe you do have some other debts that you'd like to consolidate or some things that have gotten out of control because of life events, call us. There's no pressure. We're not going to try to force you into doing a mortgage, but there's no harm in us taking an educated look at that whole situation for you and giving our best approach to it and showing you how we can help you out. All my contact info is below. Please give me a call.